Hello. So today our lesson we're going to be talking about converting polar coordinates into rectangular coordinates. So here in our question we have a guy named Alex, and he just had his first physics class in uni. And he was told to calculate the motion of an electron around its hydrogen, but he found it really hard since the coordinates were given as polar coordinates. So he thought maybe converting them into rectangular coordinates would make it easier and more precise. So here we have the polar coordinates as m 1 over 7 and 3 pi over 4. So now let's convert it into rectangular coordinates. So as we know, rectangular coordinates are made up of x and y. That's why we have two formulas for this question. So to find x, our formula is r cosine theta, and to find y, our formula is r sine theta. Now here comes the hard part, solving the question. It's not really a hard part, but it's the main part of the question. So now we need to convert, like I said, the polar coordinate into a rectangular coordinate. So first, let's identify the r and the theta so we can plug it into our question. So r is 1 over 7 and theta is 3 pi over 4. Now this is very obvious to find. Now let's plug it into our first formula. So it'll be x equals to 1 over 7 cosine 3 pi over 4, which gives us 0.143. Now for the second formula to find y, we plug the r and theta in, so it's going to be y equals to 1 over 7 sine 3 pi over 4, and which gives us 0.00587. So now that we solved the question, we can finally put together our final answer and give Alex his rectangular coordinates so he can be able to solve his hard physics problem. So the rectangular coordinates that we found are 0.143 and 0.00587. Converting from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates is such a simple and basic topic, but it's the main reason why I chose to make a question out of it, to prove that even the simplest and most basic things are very important in our lives, and it's what we need to build up our knowledge and to learn more complicated and more complex formulas. Even though this was such a simple topic, it could be applied in several different fields like physics, engineering, and most importantly, like in this question, chemistry. And the reason why I chose to use chemistry is because I'm interested in medicine and I want to pursue it in the future. So I found this really interesting and fascinating. So basically, moral of the lesson is that even the most simple and basic topics and concepts that we learn in our lives, they're really important because they help us excel and succeed in the future.